morning. We are group 4. My name is Ezra Rakslegora and my partner is
Gratia Sihombing.
Today we want to demonstrate about how to make milk tea. For the ingredients, we need warm water, ice cubes, 2 spoons of sugar, tea, vanilla liquid milk, and cookies.
For the tools, we need a glass and a spoon.
First, take 2 spoons of sugar and put it into the glass. Second, pour the vanilla liquid milk in the glass as much as you want.
Next, take one of the tea bag and put in the glass. Then, pour the warm water and stir it together. After that, add some ice cubes and cookies. Finally, the milk tea
It's ready to serve. That's all and thank you.